Every empire begins with a single step, often an unseen one. Before the soaring towers and bustling properties, there was just a quiet hum, the rhythmic swish of a mop, and the diligent hands of a young man. His daily canvas wasn't a blueprint, but the polished floors of buildings he could only dream of owning. He wasn't seen as a future titan of industry. To most, he was simply the cleaner, part of the background. Yet, within him burned a quiet ambition, an unwavering belief that his destiny lay far beyond the custodial cart. His hands cleaned the physical grime, but his mind was busy constructing a future. The seeds of empire are often sown in the most unassuming places. With each floor he cleaned, he wasn't just erasing dirt. He was observing, learning, and imagining. He watched the building owners, the tenants, the flow of business, and the subtle mechanics of property. He saw not just walls and windows, but potential. He heard not just echoes, but the language of opportunity. This wasn't merely a job, it was an education, a front-row seat to the world he aspired to enter. That quiet observation fueled a powerful inner resolve. The journey from cleaning floors to owning buildings isn't paved with shortcuts. It's built brick by laborious brick. It began with late nights, sacrificed weekends, and every spare moment dedicated to learning. He devoured books on real estate, finance, and business management. His dreams were not just fantasies, they became a meticulous blueprint. He understood that knowledge was his first, most valuable asset. Every dollar saved was a stepping stone. Every piece of advice gleaned was a tool. The path was rife with challenges, skepticism, and the temptation to quit. There were moments of doubt, setbacks that felt insurmountable, and times when the sheer magnitude of his vision seemed absurd. But his spirit, forged in diligence, refused to yield. He started small with hard-earned savings and an unshakable conviction. His first property wasn't a skyscraper, but a humble venture, painstakingly acquired and lovingly managed. Each success, no matter how minor, solidified his belief and expanded his vision. From those early, solitary hours with a mop, a remarkable transformation unfolded. The young man who once cleaned floors now surveyed a portfolio of properties, each a testament to his incredible journey. He didn't just build buildings, he built a legacy. His story is a powerful reminder that humble beginnings are not limitations, but often the very crucible where greatness is forged. It underscores that vision, combined with relentless effort, can turn the most improbable dreams into tangible realities. This isn't just one man's story, it's a mirror reflecting your own potential. What grand vision are you nurturing in the quiet moments? What unseen opportunities are you observing in your daily grind? Your starting point does not define your destination. Embrace the journey, acquire the knowledge, and commit to the relentless pursuit of your goals. The buildings you dream of owning, the businesses you aspire to create, the impact you wish to make, they all await your blueprint. Start building your own legacy today.